Hello and welcome to Healthy Trails Living. I am Chandria and I'm going to be talking about 5 ways to decrease the bloat. Watch your diet. Certain foods such as beans, lentils, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, they can cause bloat even though they're good for you. So try cutting back on these foods and even cooking them thoroughly to reduce the bloating effects. Number 2, stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause the body to retain water, which can lead to bloating. So make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out excess fluid. Number 3, exercise and physical activity can help to stimulate the digestive system, reducing bloating and constipation. Number 4, simple technique of chewing your food thoroughly will help the body to digest it and cut back on the bloat or even reducing the bloat or eliminating it altogether. Number 5, always consult a health professional. If you experience persistent bloating or other digestive issues, it's always a great idea to seek the help of a medical doctor to rule out other underlying health conditions. It may be something other than bloat. So by following these tips, you can help to reduce your bloating and improve your digestion. Remember, everyone's body is different, so make sure you take some time and experiment with what is the best approach for you. Again, thanks for watching these 5 tips to reducing bloating and improving your digestion. Be sure to check the description and check out some of my free resources, and be sure to check me out on my other social media accounts and turn your notifications on here. Look forward to having you follow Healthy Trails Living.